Welcome to Axel and Pfeiffer GTV. Please like, comment down, subscribe after watching.
What animal is this?
Dolphin.
How about this one?
Tiger.
How about this one? Malakas. How about this one?
Cheetah.
Cheetah. And how about this one?
Duck.
This is
Lion.
malakas. This is
Giraffe.
what's that?
Giraffe.
How about this one?
Tiger.
This is
Goat.
this is
Camel.
malakas. Di ko naririnig. What's that?
Camel.
This is malakas. What's that?
Cat.
This is
Cat.
malakas, mahal. This is
Monster.
lobster. This one
Horse.
malakas. What's that? What's that?
Horse.
Horse. This is
Cypress.
this is
Lion.
this is hindi ko naman naririnig. This is
T-Rex.
T-Rex. This is
Zebra.
how about this one?
Bear shark.
Whale shark. This is
Deer. Apples.
opus. How about this one?
Dog.
This one? What's that? Duck. How about this one?
Lion.
Lion. And how about this one?
Elephant.
This is
Ankylosaurus.
Ankylosaurus. This is
Lion baby.
lion baby. This is
Baba sheep.
Baba sheep, Baba black sheep. This is
Cow.
a cow. About this one?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. How about this one?
Seahorse.
Seahorse. This one?
Dolphin.
Mahina masyado yung boses. What vegetable is this?
Carrot.
Carrot. How about this one?
Corn.
Corn. This one?
Eggplant.
How about this one?
Kiwi.
Kiwi. What fruit is this? This one, mahal.
Pineapple.
Pineapple. This one.
Kiwi.
This one.
Corn.
Corn. How about this one? What fruit is that?
Pineapple.
Is that pineapple? Is this pineapple?
Corn.
What's this?
Mango.
Mango. How about this one?
Carrot.
What food is this?
Carrot.
Oh, carrot?
Pizza.
Pizza. What food is this?
French fries.
Is this one?
Hippo.
Hippo. Hippo. Bisaya. This one?
Duck.
Duck. What food is this? Your favorite?
Ice cream.
Ice creams. This is
Cupcake.
cupcake. No more. Thank you so much. What's your name?
Amos.
What's the name of the baby?
Amos.
What's the name of your baby?
Amos.
Oh, sige. Video ulit? Okay. Smile. Smile. Thank you, mommy.